Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to see how to record a video on a Mac. Once you're on your desktop, press Command plus space on your keyboard to open Spotlight Search. Then type in QuickTime Player. When the result appears, click on it to open. Once QuickTime opens up on the screen, right-click its icon from the dock and a menu will pop up on the screen. Here you'll see options like New Movie Recording, New Audio Recording, and New Screen Recording. We're going to choose New Screen Recording. Once the screen recording window appears, you'll see a selection framework on your screen. You can use the handles at the corners to adjust the size of your recording area. Also, you will find a toolbar where you can select different frame sizes or adjust the recording area accordingly. Once you've set everything the way you like, click on the Record button, and there you go. Your screen recording will begin. When you're finished, go to the top right corner and click on the Stop button. The recording will automatically save to your selected location. Now, if you want to save it manually or change the save location, go to the top left corner and click on File. From this menu, find and select Save. A pop-up window will appear where you need to give your recording a name. After that, choose the location where you want to save the file. For this demo, I'll choose Desktop. Once everything is set, click on Save, and that's it. Your screen recording is now saved on your Mac. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.